Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name in DSSSB registration. Open the DSSSB portal, log in, and navigate to your profile settings to begin. Click Edit Profile, select Name Change, and follow on-screen prompts carefully. Upload the scanned affidavit or Gazette notification and attach your government ID photo page. Verify all fields match the documents, then submit, and note the reference ID for tracking and future follow-up if needed. Start by selecting the name change option and read the instructions shown on the page. Carefully type your current and new names, matching the supporting document format. Upload the affidavit or Gazette file in the specified format and size limit, then attach your ID proof and passport photo as required. Review every field and use the preview to confirm accuracy before you click Submit, so you avoid delays from mismatched details or missing attachments. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more useful videos. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and voice control, perfect for setting reminders while you complete form steps. It pairs easily and saves time with hands-free timers and alerts during document prep. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After submission, save the reference number and take a screenshot of the confirmation for your records. Check your DSSSB account dashboard and registered email regularly for status updates or requests for extra documents. If asked, promptly upload any missing proofs to avoid rejection. Once approved, log in to confirm the updated name and download any updated registration or admit card that now reflects the correct name for future use.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.